welcome back to our channel. Today we have this toy sent by Toy Dog, and it's
Toy eggs.
Toy
Toy.
And
Toy dogs.
it's a magnetic gun, assembly toy gun. So basically,
You can make it into all this kind of guns. Like there's 100.
wait, how many pieces are there?
Hey,
Probably like
What does it have?
so. Right here is how you can assemble this gun.
there's handcuffs.
So.
And
So right here there's magnets. Right here there's a magnet, and right here there's a. And then these people put them.
now let's open it up and
Oh guys, let's count how many. So because this is like how many guns you can assemble. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. There's 23 guns that you can assemble with just these pieces. Oh wow. That's a lot of guns.
How does it work, AJ?
there's handcuffs and a sword.
So guys, you can see a magnet. I think that's a magnet. Let's see. It looks like a perfume bottle.
You're gonna get
Ha! Roll back. Ha! Roll
See, look, it's magnetic and it just fits together. That's all it does. These ones go on the back to make it a longer rifle. This is not a perfume bottle. This is a grenade.
That's why I thought it was a
This one goes under here. See? Like that. Or you can put this one under there. And then you have more bullets. The scope goes on
Let's
top.
go.
Put it up there on top.
So is this supposed to be a sword?
It is a bayonet.
But
And it goes on top of the gun.
shoot it.
So, or it's supposed to go the other way, but yeah.
Okay.
So that's how you make the combination. You can change this part out. Just put this on there.
Yeah, that's what I need on there.
This goes this way because that's for your sights. And you can do that. And that's your gun that you were trying to recreate.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you how everything works, and then I'm going to show you what everything is, and then I'm going to choose a gun to make. So, I guess everything up here is what, so this thing is called a clip. This thing is called a grande. Grenade.
A grande
I thought it was a grande. You could carry
How do you
it.
say grenade in Spanish? Un grano?
Granada. I have no idea. I can't carry it. And then handcuffs, which AJ is holding right now. So now I'm gonna show you something cool. So we put batteries in the gun, and look it makes noise. And right here is the button to change the noise. That sounds like lasers. And this one sounds like a
Like
cow.
somebody's walking in the
cow.
Like somebody's walking in the snow.
Yeah. And this one.
You're storm.
I don't know what it sounds like.
You're stormtrooper.
And this over here. No, it just loads up. So let's see what happens when I put this one. Because this is a clip. And it's not whatever I thought it was. And I thought it was a rope.
I'm gonna show you my favorite gun.
Now I'm gonna recreate that gun.
You need a scroll.
What? No, I don't.
This one? You actually need that.
Oh, it's upside down.
You made a shoot gun.
Oh, really? Enjoyed this video and make sure to get your toy in the link in the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And remember, keep your chin up and never give up and have a holly jolly Christmas.